In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do exponential forecast prediction in Google Sheets. We will be using the growth function, which is designed for exponential curves. This is useful when your data starts off increasing slowly and then accelerates more and more over time, like subscriptions, revenue, or user growth. Start by opening your Google Sheets file that contains the data you want to forecast. In this sheet, you should have one column with the known time or period values and another column with the known results you are trying to model. For example, your first column might be periods like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and your second column might be the values that grow over those periods. Next, click and highlight the range that contains your known values. This is the Y range, meaning the results you already have. Then click and highlight the range that contains your known X values, which are the matching time periods for those results. Make sure these two ranges line up correctly, so each period matches the correct value on the same row. If the ranges are mismatched, your forecast will be inaccurate. After that, click the cell where you want the forecasted output to appear. This is usually the next row below your existing data where you have a new period value ready to predict. Click into that output cell so you are ready to enter a formula. Now type the growth formula exactly in this pattern: =growth, known Y range, known X range, new X. In the example shown, it is entered as =growth, B2, B6, A2, A6, A7. This tells Google Sheets to fit an exponential curve to the known data in B2 through B6, use the periods in A2 through A6, and then predict the value for the new period in A7. Confirm the formula so it calculates, and you should see the predicted exponential value appear in your selected cell. Finally, click the relevant cell again and type in the highlight as shown so your sheet displays the forecast where you need it. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.